Together, Aviva and Microsoft are accelerating industrial innovation. With Microsoft's end-to-end cloud solutions, combined with Aviva's leading industrial software, we bring breakthrough capabilities directly to the people who are driving the world's essential industries. Aviva Insight connects your teams with performance intelligence to improve asset reliability and operational performance. Anywhere, anytime, on any device. Automated, guided, and advanced analytics combined with unified information mean you can scale and allocate resources easily, elevating your performance with intelligence. Now you can unlock opportunities and enable teams to make precise, agile decisions using intelligent search and real-time visualization in a single user-friendly dashboard. Empower your teams with contextualized data from multiple sources, all within the secure cloud environment. Customize content with status boards and newsfeed stories to suit your needs, and get valuable insight to optimize your asset performance. AI-powered guided analytics enable you to predict, prevent, and manage anomalies and maintenance issues. Break down information silos and quickly spot bottlenecks with Asset Performance Advanced Analytics that give your team the information they need to investigate and identify the cause of declining OEE. Customized alerts help prevent costly, unscheduled downtime, while Condition-Based Maintenance Insight gives you the data you need to manage your task schedule and take on repairs when it's most convenient for your business. Gather, save, and share useful information across teams to boost collaboration with a single source of truth. Discover new efficiency gains and increase operational agility with a digital twin that combines corporate and operational KPIs. Develop accurate predictive models based on real-time plant availability. Meet regulatory requirements and control utility consumption to boost energy and cost efficiency and drive sustainability. Elevate your business with performance intelligence. Get started today. Claim your free 45-day trial of Aviva Insight.